Well, let's get our day started, I reckon. Yeah, I broke one of the lifting arms on my tractor. I'm gonna grind this weld off right here. Grind that down to a bevel and weld that back together. I bent this arm. I'm gonna have to straighten that out. Beat it and I'm gonna unbolt it and just take it off with beat it with a hammer. Story of my life. First, let's take a break. Baconettes, cold beer, and some Red Smith pickled sausage. Got her done! Don't that look good? Professional welding there, buddy. Boy, did I just screw up or what. I got that good weld and I gotta cut that back loose. See, when I first broke it, I tried to unscrew this, but it stopped right there. Yep, you guessed it. I didn't screw it back up to here before I welded that on. I got one arm's off the ground and one arm's dead on the ground, and I don't have enough thread there to get it back even. I know, before you say anything, I know what you're gonna say. Why'd you cut that loose? I didn't think it through. I could have just pulled that pin out, screwed this down, put the pin back in. I didn't take the time to analyze the situation. Just hurry up. It's hot. It's 100 degrees and I'm trying to get her done. I'm going to have to re-weld that for absolutely nothing. Alright, we all fixed up and good to go.